Hey beautiful people, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change, like how to edit this top bar, your course builder theme top bar. Okay, how you can customize this. So if you notice that if you want to change this email address or phone number, if you want to try to change this, you cannot do this, like getting some error, something like this. If I go to this customize page and click on this header and click on this top bar, then you will see there are no option to change this number and email, but you can easily off these. If you turn off this top bar, it's automatically hide, and if you want to turn on this, it's automatically now present over here. Okay, so if you want to change this background color, you can do that, but you cannot change this email address or number. So how you can change this? Let me show you how you can do that. So first, go to your admin panel, and when you go to your admin panel, just find out here this appearance. Oh my god, try the appearance. Okay, here the appearance, and click on this widget button. When you click on this widget button, then here, as you can see, this top bar, something like this, and just click on this top bar. Then you'll see here the two option, theme layout builder and another is card. So just click on this theme layout builder and click on this open new layout builder. Just click on this, and when you click on this, then you will get a pop-up, and as you can see here, our phone number and email are present here. Okay, so when it's done, just click on this update button. Okay, so let me show you how you can change that. So I just change here the number first. How you can change this? So first I input here our country code plus edit and first bracket 0. I input here my number, and again I just copy my number over here and click on this pen icon, and let me show you. I just change it to this and apply, and again we need to change this theme. But when you change this support, alright, so remove this, input here at the right, then my website name, and I copy this full Gmail address, email address, and click on this pen icon and just remove this. Okay, alright, paste here your email address and click on this enter button, click on step change, click on update. I think it's gonna be done, and go to my website again and reload my website again. Alright, as you can see, everything changed over here, and we are successfully done this. Okay, so if you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe. And if you want to create this type of website for your business, or if you want to create like course builder, something like this type of website, so you can easily contact with me. I will help you.